After you've finished recording, you can edit and fine-tune your work in the track editor view. I've already trimmed down 3 of my tracks, and I'll show you how I did it with the last one. Each rectangle containing a recording, shown by a waveform, is called a region. Select the region you want to edit. I'm going to solo this so I can listen to only the region I'm working on. Tap the headphones. The easiest way to select the part of the region I want to use is by dragging the margins in. This isn't removing any of the recorded audio, it just means we won't hear it when this region is played. But here my muse her wing mun cower, sic flights are far beyond her power. You'll notice that your recording jumps around when you move it. To accurately move the margins in and out, or to move the region and put it exactly where you need it, you need to pinch out to give yourself the maximum zoom, and you'll see at the top of the screen it says snap to grid off. So this just means that you can move it a lot more smoothly and you can put the sounds exactly where you need them. I can now line this region up with the beats and put it where I want it to be. You'll see the thing that looks like a ruler at the top of the screen. This shows numbered bars, and by default Garageband makes each bar with 4 main beats in it. You can see that each beat is also divided into quarters at this zoom. The rhythm of Tam O'Shanter has a stress on the second word in most of the lines, so I'm going to line that up with the first beat of bar 2. But here my muse her wing mun cower, sic flights are far beyond. Okay, so now I want to repeat this part of the poem 3 times. So I'm going to tap on the region and select copy. Now I move the playhead, which is the vertical line, to the position where I want to paste it. Tap on the screen and paste. Repeat this a further 2 times. Now I'm going to go back and just check that everything lines up with the beat. Far beyond her power, but here my muse her wing mun cower, sic flights are far. Okay, so I'm going to need to adjust this. It's a bit fiddly this, but it's worth trying to get it to sound absolutely right, especially on the first track, and then that means that whatever you add to it is going to sound a lot more accurate. Now let's listen to it. But here my muse her wing mun cower, sic flights are far beyond her power. But here my muse her wing. Okay, that's fine. Now I need to repeat the process with the other 3 tracks. Before I start to work on the next track, I'm going to unsolo the first one and solo this. It's just easier to line it up with the click rather than trying to listen to 2 tracks at the same time. And because I want a gradual build up, I'm moving it along to the right a little bit so that this one will start playing after the first track. I now need to copy this and paste it just like I did with the first track. Now I've got my next track lined up. I'm just going to check that that's matching with the first one by soloing both. Flights are far beyond her power, but here my muse her wing mun cower, sic flights are far beyond her power, but here my muse her wing mun cower. So the next thing to do is to repeat this process with the other remaining tracks. One other useful editing tool in Garageband is the split function. And we do this by positioning the playhead at the point you want to split the region, tap on the region, select split, and then draw these scissors down. And what that's done now is it's made two separate bits that we can move around. This is particularly useful if your class hasn't been entirely accurate with the beat, so we can make things a bit closer together like this, or we can effectively slow them down by moving them apart. And all of the audio that you've recorded is still there when you move the margins, so you can always fill the gaps like this. So here's the final result. But here my muse her wing mun cower, sic flights are far beyond her power. But here my muse her wing mun cower, sic flights are far beyond her power. But here my muse her wing mun cower, sic flights are far beyond her power. But here my muse her wing mun cower, sic flights are far beyond her power.
And roars out, "Well done, Cutty Sark!" And in an instant all was dark.